Hey, so I was just messing around in here, checking out my portfolio on SoFi Invest, and it hit me. There's some stuff in this app that's honestly pretty neat, but it just doesn't scream for attention. Beyond the big wins, no trading fees, and it is, well, crazy easy to use, there are these under the radar features that make it more than just a basic investing tool. Let me show you what I mean. Take private market access, for example, and this one's pretty wild because most brokers aren't offering this. So SoFi teamed up with this fintech called Templum, and they let regular folks like us dip our toes into alternative investments. Things like private equity, real estate funds, and even pre-IPO companies. Normally, you would need a fat wallet or a fancy wealth manager to touch this stuff, but SoFi is opening the door. Now, it's not for everyone. It's got higher risk and less liquidity, but if you're curious about diversifying beyond stocks and bonds, it's a pretty neat option. As of March 2025, SoFi offers access to 3 private equity funds. You've got the ARK Venture Fund, Stepstone Private Markets Fund, and Pomona Investment Fund. The minimum for the ARK Venture Fund is a $500 investment, while the other 2 sit at $25,000. Then there's SoFi Plus, SoFi's premium membership. It costs $10 a month or free if you sign up for direct deposit. What are the perks? You get a 1% match on recurring deposits into your investment accounts, active or automated. So say you toss in $1,000 every month, that's an extra $10 from SoFi, no strings attached. Plus you get unlimited sessions with certified financial planners, not just one call, as many as you want. Certified financial planners are the gold standard for financial advisors, and one session alone can cost several $100s. Even without SoFi Plus, SoFi members can get a 30-minute complimentary call. Other SoFi Plus perks include a higher APY on your savings, high rewards on your credit card, and more. Now, matching IRA contributions, and this is probably a head turner for many because matches are typically reserved for 401ks. SoFi's got this 1% match that it pays out on traditional and Roth contributions via ACH up to the annual limit. It's not huge. The annual limit for IRA contributions in 2025 is $7,000, so that's $70 from SoFi, but it's free money, no employer required. IPO Access is another cool feature on SoFi. If you're into active investing, SoFi lets you invest in companies at the IPO price before they hit the public market. Minimum's $50 and you're in on stuff like Reddit or Instacart. But SoFi's got to be underwriting the IPO for you to get access, so you won't always find one available. It's risky, sure, IPOs can flop and many do, but it's a rare shot for regular investors to play that game. And then there's the Robo Advisor, and this is SoFi's automated investing option, $50 minimum, 0.25% fee now, though it used to be free. Just like other Robo Advisors, you answer some questions and it builds you a portfolio of ETFs, maybe some alternative investments if you choose its new classic with alternatives theme. It rebalances automatically and you still get those financial planner chats. Recently, they've partnered with BlackRock to juice it up with more sophisticated options, things like real estate and private market access. It's not the cheapest robo out there anymore. Like I said, it used to be free, but it's got some depth that you just do not see with other robo advisors. And lastly, SoFi's got a year-round free stock promo that'll help you boost your portfolio when you join. Open and fund an active invest account with at least $50 within 30 days, and you'll get a reward. Could be $5, could be as high as $1,000 if you're lucky. You then choose a company in which to invest the reward. So yeah, that's the lineup of some SoFi Invest features that may not have been on your radar. What do you think? What's the SoFi Invest feature you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and if you want those free stocks I talked about, the link's in the description. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing content, and check out my other videos on trading tips and market news.